happens. 3D printed TPU roller covers for Ameribraid 2x72 belt sander. We got two 2-inch, and then they all go all the way down to 3/8. Here's the Ameribraid. 2-inch can go on here, and then we go over to here to the full set. Lazy K has some on there. We just did the 1-inch, but anything below 3/4 you have to take a bearing off. 1/4 inch I cannot do because the bearing ends are too big, even if you take the bearing off. The reason why we're doing this is for fine sanding. This little rubber coating on there takes the belt hop off on the hard surface. It's been tested, worked good. That's what I've been up to lately.